In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the lesson plans, which is a tool inside Teachflow that allows you to neatly organize your classes inside lesson plans. So let's dive in. In the side menu, we can click on lesson plans and create a new lesson plan. I will name this my physics lesson plan, and my description will be Introduction to Physics. And I can choose the classes to add to this lesson plan. I can choose multiple of them. Now that my lesson plan is created, let's click on Plan to see the calendar view. We can move forward or we can move backwards to see all of our classes. And my Physics 101 class is scheduled to happen every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which is something that you can configure on the Classes tab. So let's say I want to create a lesson plan for physics on Monday. I will name my lesson plan Earth and Space, for example, and I can base this lesson in common standards. I can choose common standards by states, organizations, or schools and districts. I will go for states. I would choose Florida. I can choose a subject, which will choose Science 2008. And I can choose a grade level. I'll choose grade 8. Now, based on these parameters, we can see all the common standards that we can add to this lesson plan. I'll scroll down until I find Earth in Space and Time. I'll add this to our lesson plan and I'll click Save. Now we can use AI to generate our class objectives, procedures, homework, accommodations and modifications, and notes. And the AI will create this information based on the common standards that we chose. So let's select accommodations and modifications as well. And let's generate the lesson plan with AI. It will take a few seconds to come back with the response. Now we can see that AI generated the objectives, procedures, it generated a homework for us, accommodations and modifications as well. If we click here on the homework, we can open a new page to see the worksheet that AI has created for us for this lesson. We can see the worksheet, the answer keys, and we will be able to receive submissions. Now we can select the information that we wanted to display on the lesson plan card, and I'll hide accommodations and modifications and procedures for now. So we create a simpler view of our lesson. We can see here the title, standards, objectives, and homeworks. And we can do this for all our classes. This concludes our lesson plan tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.